listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat that I'm banging is delicious.
Burgerlicious definition, make them boys go loco.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit, and welcome to another sit down video. A very important package just arrived today, and I got super excited. Once it arrived, I was like, I want to open it, but I also want to do a reaction video because it's my first award, first plaque from YouTube, and you know what it is. You know exactly. It's like getting my diploma. I feel like I graduated again. If you guys hear my dogs and some tricycles in the background, I apologize because my neighborhood is not exactly a prestige neighborhood. I've been living here ever since a kid. Without further ado, let's open this package. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Okay, be careful when handling knives. I'm so happy that it arrived while I'm here in the Philippines, or else I wouldn't have filmed this reaction video and just tell my mom like to open it up for me or my sister. The moment of truth, I think. Wait, I'm like super in a hurry to open this because I'm super excited. Fam. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a letter. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you so much, Rick, for making sure that my package is well. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. I want to read the letter first before looking at it. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on your YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I don't know, maybe I'm funny. Let me know in the comment section why you are actually subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you know, what's the reason why you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to know. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see you what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than what you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations, sincerely, Susan, CEO of YouTube. Oh my gosh. I am so excited, and by this, I know they probably sent this to a lot of creators too, but for someone that sees all of the efforts that you've been giving to create this content, it's just, and appreciate each and every vlogs that I post is really amazing. And I never thought that people would actually care about these videos. I said before, I started YouTube just because I like to share my experiences in every country, in every place that I visit. You know, where to go, where to stay, where to eat, to know more about the culture, the people. Never in my life would I realize that 100,000 people would appreciate this. Thank you to everyone who's been there since the beginning, and also if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I promise not to let you down. I make a lot of travel vlogs and I like making these videos to share with my friends, not even just my friends and my family, but to the people who doesn't have that time, the money, or let's say even the passport to go to these places. It's nice because even if I am traveling alone, I don't feel like I'm traveling alone. I feel like you guys are with me and I'm like sharing these moments to every one of you. I just got back actually from a recent trip to Europe. It was a 2.5-month trip. I was there on my own, but in every city that I visit, I have viewers that can tour me around, show me these places, and from followers to friends, from viewers to friends, and it's just nice because I get to meet new people just because of my YouTube, just because of posting videos online. You know, I've always been this person who's ecstatic to meet new people that shares the same vibe. Yeah, I can't wait to see each and every one of you. I hope I can get to see you, get to hang out with you and hug you and tell you how much I really do appreciate you guys. You know, these are just numbers at the end of the day. It doesn't make you any better than anyone else. As for me, these numbers are proof that people do love what I do. Keep you inspired to explore the world, to do it while you're still young and healthy, and share these moments to your friends or to yourself and meet new people. You know, anyway, I think I'm blabbing too much. I think it's about time to see this award, this plaque. Oh my gosh. My name is here. This is what it looks like. I used to see this in other creators when they reach their milestone, you know. I now have one that says my name, Avelovinit. Ah, oh my gosh. We made it, guys. We made it. We made it, Avelovinit, Avengers fam. We made it to 100,000 subscribers. I hope that we will reach 1 million soon. You know, I still have a long way to go, but at least I'm on my way and I'm trying as much as possible to work hard for it and show you how determined I am to explore more of the world and share it with my viewers. And yeah, it's just, it's crazy. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the flesh with my name for passing 100,000 subscribers. I can see my face. Wow. Okay, it's a mirror and you can see my face. Hello. Avelovinit. It's your girl. You made it. I just want to let you know, guys, that you can also achieve this dream. Like I said, it doesn't matter how slow you go. Just because you took longer than other people, it doesn't mean you failed. It doesn't mean you failed in achieving your dreams. I think it's actually even better if you do it slow paced, because you know how it is to work hard on something, and the fact that you don't even have to rely on someone just to achieve your dream makes it more worth it once you reach that goal. For some, 100,000 subscribers it's just 100,000 subscribers compared to others, but stop comparing yourself to other people. Everyone is good at something. If you don't get what you want now, you will get something bigger and better. I rest assure you that you will get something bigger, because God has better plans for you. Instead of comparing yourself to other people, why don't you focus more on improving yourself, improving your craft, your skill, your talent, to get that promotion, to get that dream, to get what you want in life. I hope that you won't lose track why you started in the first place. There will be people who will roll eyes on you, that will think, oh my gosh, she's not gonna make it. Those amount of people is just a little percentage of the people who truly love you and who believes in you. If you know to yourself that you're gonna achieve you will achieve. If you don't believe in yourself, no one will believe in you too. Oh my gosh, 100,000 subscribers after 2.5 years of doing travel vlogs. You know, when I started, it's funny because I started because I realized that there are no YouTubers that does travel vlogs. When they travel, they don't tell about the place, what to do, what to eat, and all of that. There are no Filipino travel vloggers. I'm not sure if there are no one at that time, but I was like, I took it as an advantage for me. No one was doing this, so I'm gonna do it first. If I, correct me if I'm wrong, if there's a, you know, a pure Filipino travel vlogger that does travel vlogs. Not gonna lie, it was hard because I don't get to collab with a lot of people. I think collaboration is always the best sure shot to get subscribers and put your content out there. I don't want to collab with people who does not share the same passion as me. It would look natural. Never force yourself to people that does not appreciate you. Never force yourself to become someone who you're not, just to please other people. If you can just be yourself, you will be amazed by the amount of people who will appreciate you more just by being yourself. When I was studying in grade school and high school, I always think that I'm the weirdest one and the most talkative one. Rest assured that my teachers will agree to that. I have so much upcoming travels, and yeah, 100K, Avelovinit, it's your girl. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to Avelovinit, make sure to press that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I post a sit-down vlog or a travel vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!